Best buds, friendship in English slang. Hey there, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fun phrase that you might hear quite often when native English speakers talk about close friends. The phrase is, best buds. Ever wondered what it means? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Best buds is a colloquial term. Let's break it down word by word. Best. This word often refers to something that's at the top or superior. In this context, it means the closest or most cherished. Buds, short for buddies, which is another slang term for friends. So, when combined, best buds implies really close friends or companions. It's always easier to understand a term when it's used in context. Let's see some examples. 1. Mike and Jake have been best buds since kindergarten. 2. Are they related? No, they're just best buds. 3. Even though they argue sometimes, deep down, they're still best buds. From these examples, you can see that the term is used to describe a close and long-lasting friendship. English is rich in idioms and phrases, especially when it comes to friendship. Some phrases that have a similar sentiment to best buds include besties, another slang term for very close friends. Thick as thieves. This means two people are very close to each other. Joined at the hip. Used when two people are almost always together. Remember, the beauty of these phrases is in their informal nature. They're used in casual conversations and can add a touch of native flair to your speech. And there you have it, the fun and friendly phrase, best buds. It's all about celebrating close friendships and relationships. We hope you enjoyed learning about this phrase and that you'll confidently use it when talking about your close friends. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning.